Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Way to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 79, about to hit the 80s, and we're on a streak here. We may be at the end soon enough. So, this part is an idea that God doesn't play favorites, the universe doesn't play favorites, and we shouldn't compare ourselves to others. Now, I think this is particularly difficult because naturally we have this inclination that we should compare ourselves to other people. Oh, how come that guy can throw the ball further than I can? How come this guy can make more money than I can? How come this guy is doing better than me? How come this? How come that? And we're always comparing ourselves to others, saying, like, well, at least I'm better than that guy in some area. I'm better than this other guy in some other area, that kind of stuff. And this really naturally leads to jealousy, like, oh, that guy's got a better car, or that guy's, got a hotter wife, that guy's got this, that guy's got that. How come I can't have those things? We constantly have this need to show up each other if we play into favorites. But really, it's not about beating other people, it's about running your own race, okay? Now, I'll tell you a little bit of a story from me from cross country back in high school when I did this kind of thing. So, when you're running a race, a lot of people would naturally try to sprint at the very beginning and get ahead and just kind of keep their lead over the pack. Not me. I was never one of those guys who liked to sprint just ever. But one thing I did was I ran my own pace, okay? And over the course of the race, I would pass people all the time because they would tire themselves out. And I would not tire myself out. I would just kind of run my own race. And this ended up winning me my fair share of, doing well for my team, okay? Now, I was never the top guy. I was never, ahead, the first guy in my team, because my team had a lot of good guys on it who were really good at running. Me, I just ran my own race, okay? And I think that that's what this is really about here. It's about running your own race. You don't need to do better than everybody else. You don't need to say, I'm, better than this guy because I got this, and I'm better than that guy because I got this. Because this really it's then a question of, why am I not doing as well as this person? This person got an A, they're not as smart as me. Why did I get a B, This person, they did well in this essay. Why didn't I do well in this essay? This person, they make 50% a day on their trading portfolio. Why can't I make 5% on the quarter? People, as soon as they start comparing themselves to others, they naturally have this need to show them up, and then they're entirely in the realm of the ego when the subconscious mind turns against them. Instead, forget all that, okay? You don't need to show up anybody else. You are running your own race, and you're going to do it at your own pace with your own method, okay? And that's what's going to work out for you. It doesn't matter what somebody else is doing. You can do it yourself. That's about it for this part. I will see you guys next time with part 80, so stay tuned.